Hello everyone, my name is Clara Pawlak and I am a consultant with Absiskey, a leading innovation management consulting firm. I'm here today to discuss the importance of innovation project management and Horizon Europe for future engineers and PhD students. So our team leads exploitation activities and manages dissemination and communication for the project. Thanks to the dedicated work of our work package participants, you can participate today in this online course. So we are experts in innovation project management and closely monitor and coordinate progress to ensure success, including by implementing impact and gender assessment, for example. Our expertise is critical to the project success, and we are honored to be a part of it and to present our guidance today for you to be the best project manager in the future. The Pulp&Fuel project is part of the European Commission Horizon 2020, now replaced by Horizon Europe. It is a research and innovation program providing 95 billion in funding over 7 years. Horizon Europe aims to increase Europe's competitiveness and address global challenges through innovation. Innovation project management is crucial for success in Horizon Europe projects, enabling delivery of ambitious and transformative projects. It helps organizations manage objectives, tasks, resources, and risks. By participating in this presentation, future engineers and PhD students can gain the necessary skills to succeed as new project manager. Horizon Europe offers numerous benefits for organizations, including funding, resources, expertise, collaboration, and transparency. Pay close attention, as this knowledge will be vital for your future success. So the fundings from Horizon Europe is split into 4 categories. 1, research and innovation action. They provide research and innovation funding for activities such as research and development, innovation, and demonstration projects. 2, innovation actions. They offer fundings for early-stage commercialization projects and activities such as the development of prototypes and the validation of ideas. 3, cooperation action. They provide funding for collaborative projects between organizations from different countries, such as research and innovation networks, industrial partnership, and joint initiatives. And 4, innovative training network. It's a bit apart. They offer fundings for research training and career development activities. As a future project manager, it's important to understand the funding opportunities available through Horizon Europe to support your project. Horizon Europe provides a platform for research and innovation and offers funding for a variety of projects. To find the best one for your project, it's important to start by researching the different categories of funding available through Horizon Europe. This information can be found, of course, on the European Commission's website. And in addition, consulting firms such as Absiskey can also be a valuable resources in finding the best funding opportunities for your project. These firms have an in-depth knowledge of the funding landscape and can provide guidance on the application process and eligibility requirements. It's also important to keep in mind that the European Commission provides support for Horizon Europe projects in areas such as project management, networking, and dissemination. By working with a specialized consulting firm on this topic, project manager can access resources and expertise to help them succeed in their projects. Finally, it's important to regularly check for open calls for projects and be proactive in identifying the best funding opportunities for your project. With the right resources and support, you can increase your chances of success in securing funding for your Horizon Europe project. So after you have funded your project, the new key is planning the project. It's a key to the success of any Horizon Europe project. During the proposal writing phase, it is crucial to have a well-structured plan that outlines the objectives, goals, and tasks involved. This plan will serve as a roadmap for your project and help ensure that all stakeholders are on the same page. To create an efficient plan, you should consider the following steps. 1, define clear objectives. Make sure your objectives are concise and outline both short and long-term goals. 2, create a realistic timeline. Plan out the timeline for the project, including key tasks and milestones. 3, budget planning, of course. Allocate budget for each task and for the overall project costs, such as meeting, travel, and so on. 4, risk management. Identify potential risks and how they can be mitigated. And 5, consult with partners. Involve all the partners from your consortium in the planning process and gather feedbacks and input. By following these steps, you can create a comprehensive project plan that will set the foundation for a successful Horizon Europe project. Of course, seeking guidance for specialized consultants like Absiskey can also help you ensure that all the key aspects are taken into account and help make the most of your Horizon Europe project. Another key point is to implement the project. Implementing a Horizon Europe project can be a complex and challenging process, but with proper planning and management, it can link to a successful and impactful project outcome. During the management phase, here are some key steps to keep in mind. One, an effective communication. Regular and open communication with all stakeholders, including project partners, funders, research teams. It's essential to ensure everyone is aligned and working towards the project objectives. This is why it's important to plan and organize regular project meetings. Two, the risk management. You have to anticipate and mitigate potential risk and establish a contingency plan to ensure the project stay on track. This is a mandatory activity for each project, but it's also a key document for all work packages later. Three, budget and resource management. Ensure that the project is staying within budget and that resources are being used efficiently. Regular reviews and adjustments may be necessary. So at Absiskey, we are providing an online platform. It's called Project Netboard. So it's for the monitor of the project we're working on. It is dedicated to the collaborative project management and help you know exactly where you are in your project timeline and budget consumption, for example. And four and last point, track the results. So track the project progress regularly to assess if the project is on track, to meet its objectives and identify any necessary changes. This is a part of the exploitation activities we are leading for Pulp&Fuel, for example, and also for many other projects. So that's it. And now I would like to focus on another important project management activities we are doing in Pulp&Fuel, the project impact assessment. So now we are talking about evaluating the project. Absiskey has developed during the Pulp&Fuel project a unique methodology for impact assessment, and I am now convinced that it is a key point for an effective project management. Impact assessment helps ensure that the project is aligned with the goals of the European Union and delivers real and meaningful benefits to society. Here are some tips for conducting an effective project impact assessment based on our experience. So one, define clear and measurable impact goals. Identify the specific positive outcomes you want to achieve and quantify them in a way that can be tracked and evaluated over time. This is done during the proposal writing phase usually. Two, consider the full range of potential impact. Look beyond the direct benefit of the project to consider the potential social, environmental, and economic impacts, both positive and negative. Three, involve the stakeholders. Engage your stakeholders early and often in the impact assessment process to ensure that the perspective of those who will be affected by the project are taken into account. For Pulp&Fuel, for example, it has been done with a nominated expert advisory board. Four, use a robust methodology. So choose a rigorous and transparent methodology for conducting the impact assessment and make sure that the results are communicated in a clear and accessible manner. At the end of the project, you will be able, for example, and for information, to find our final deliverable with our own methodology directly in the Pulp&Fuel website. And five, and last point, regularly monitor and evaluate the project progress, continuously monitor the progress of the project against the impact goals and use the results of the impact assessment to make informed decisions about how you want to adjust the project if necessary. That's why we recommend to have several occurrences of your impact assessment deliverable. By conducting a comprehensive impact assessment and using these tips, you can ensure that your project, your Horizon Europe project, delivers real benefits to society and advances the goals of the European Union. In addition, a well-executed impact assessment can help to build trust and credibility with stakeholders and with the public, demonstrating your commitment to responsible and impactful project implementation. So, to conclude, innovation project management is essential for achieving success in Horizon Europe. It involves creating a comprehensive plan for the project, including setting goals and objectives, identifying resources, and developing a timeline. It also involves evaluating the project regularly to ensure that it's is meeting the set goals and objectives and to identify areas for improvement. Finally, innovative project management involves assessing the impact of the project on different stakeholders and on the environment in order to understand the long-term effect of the project. The key points to remember are to create a comprehensive plan, evaluate the project implementation regularly, and assess the impact of the project on different stakeholders and on the environment. By doing so, our in Europe projects can be successfully planned and implemented. So congratulations everyone on completing this course on innovative solutions for valorization of meal byproducts into renewable energy sources. You have successfully explored the various methods and strategies to create renewable energy sources for meal byproducts. You have developed a better understanding of the challenges associated with the process and the potential solution that can be applied. We hope that this course provided you with the necessary knowledge and skills to start your journey towards creating a more sustainable future. Thank you for your participation, and we wish you the best of luck in your future projects.